But anyway, as I was saying, I'm gonna cut this short and walk out the front. I think security's over in that trailer, but you know, in this area, as long as, well, they kind of know you, it's a small town, but as long as you're not doing anything bad, you know, just walking around looking, taking pictures. But yeah, and for those of you that don't know, okay, we all know this is a Dollar General. But the reason they're building over here, when we got a Dollar General over there on the other side of that tree, is because that Dollar General is in the plaza, and the guy that owns this Giant Eagle over here, this isn't, I mean, all Giant Eagles are kind of chains, but the guy that owns this is privately owned. So I don't understand quite exactly how it works, but because it's privately owned, that Dollar General can only carry certain things. So because Giant Eagle carries Progresso soups, for example, when Dollar Generals have the special for Progresso soup for $1, this store is not allowed to bring them in. So they basically said, screw you, to the owner of the plaza. They're moving out, and they bought this property and building over here. Through traffic prohibited. We come in here and we go out. Okay. No overnight truck parking, John. Yeah. Just me rambling, looking for my car and trying not to get ran over. Interesting. This weather up here is driving me freaking nuts. I can't make up its mind it's going to be hot or it's going to be cold. So I turn the air conditioning on in the afternoon, and by nighttime you don't need it. Check this chick out. Not sure if it's a true blonde or not. If you can read that sign. Yes, I'm a new and expectant mother. Talk to you later.